Authorities are headed to one. They haven't quite decided where they're going.
One of them is we're going to a boat. We're going to be taking
7 miles southwest of Island Air.
You guys heard about the storm that's in the
Good morning, guys. I trust that you all up and about. I'm feeling fine. You all know my energy already. This is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life. I'm up and about this morning. My plan to run up on the road. Yeah, cheese back. Yeah, guys. This is Yard as is, you know. We stop by Spicy Nice, St. Anne's. Yeah, man. You know it's something good. Open active with friends and family and loved ones, but just a few folks that go show them facing at the camera due to the fact that not everybody love the camera, yeah? Some of us camera shy, but today we're open active, yeah man, and we're in a St. Anne's Bay, just enjoy Spicy Nice party, yeah man, the whole family there, come on yeah, yo, this is it, yeah man, active guys, yeah man, I haven't been doing a lot of videos from the other day due to the fact that I've been all over the place. Zaga, yeah man. From we are Trinity St. Thomas, just to come and Spicy Nice, you know, so go at the best party on the island. Trust me, it's a blessing, man. Yeah man, but you know this one go from my man, from my yard, and you know, well I was introduced to this here place, yeah man, Spicy Nice. That's in St. Anne's Bay, yeah man. Trust me, I love the party going to earth, yeah man, but you know it's something go. I'm gonna show you all what's popping in the future. Come on here, today we're going about with friends and family, yeah man, James around the corner. Yeah man, all the nice what I do, them and do what parties left, as you say. Yeah man, one James there, we open a boat from the other day and we go Brownstone and all over the place, but you know it's something go, we go Brownstone and Biggs. Yeah man, take him and run fashion as you, because as you all know, Biggs is a cook / chef. I don't know if I tell you all, but yeah, Biggs is a man who always up and yeah, doing cooking, yeah man. So come on, yeah, man, with the Spicy Nice today and we have a show down. Hopefully, you always see bro, with us, you know, reaction in regards to the party. Yeah man, enter you get the opportunity, pop by man and grab a few snacks. Looking at the case, yeah man, there is so much here, wide variety I think. Yeah man, but you know it's as I say, Biggs are 3 to 2. 3 orange juice to be fair. Yeah man, but come on yard man, powerful and active. As I said from before, this is Yard as is. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, it really does help. It's a blessing. Yeah man, you know the energy, but we have to survive a yard, so we have to seek a job, most naturally. Yeah man, so you know I've been up and active landscaping and I had to move on, and now it's something new. I won't say though, yeah man, gradually as we go along in the future, you always see exactly what's taking place. But for now, you know it's something go. We're up and active, so we'll go up on the road. Trust me, it's a blessing, man. I want to send a special shout out to all the folks from Darliston, yeah man, in what, South? Don't know if I get it right. All y'all out there in Black River, yeah man, it's a blessing. New Forest District as well. Y'all keep getting up, getting about, getting out there and doing the right thing daily. Wrong boss, you know it's something go. He's up on the aisle, my brother. That is it, man. Yeah man, but as I said from before, I've been like all over the place, so everybody here hold them one little vibe, you know. Just around the corner. Yeah man. That whole place like country. Oh my. Well, we're not there country at the moment. My bad. Yeah man, we're there on the seaside. DJ around the corner. Yeah man. Here for us around the summer. Yeah man, whole family there. Stick around man. Journey just begun. Come on yeah. I'ma drop in a little bit of sightseeing for you all. Yeah man, and then from there we'll take it into the video. Yeah man, so you know it's something go. A special shout out as well. Yeah man, to Mommy Monica. Keep getting up, getting about and getting out there. One love Mommy. J Biggs, y'all know the energy. And for those who leave out, come on guys man. We have a long way to go. So eventually I'll fill you all in and y'all shout out. That is it. Judge P, you know it's something go. Yeah man. Up and about DJ. Fry eye. Yeah man, it's a blessing, my brother. What are you? Yeah man, enough chit chatting. Let's get right into it. Together, you know, something. How they are public. Yeah. Alright. You see, proper. Yeah, that's how it was. So, a little bit practice. Actually, I was popping. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. How they are Samas at the same time. Yeah, how they are really. And I put together this video for you all. Yeah, man, you know, it's some boulders there, yeah. I'd say, we just stay and take it easy as usual. Yeah, man, just enjoy what the island has to offer at the moment. Trust me, it's a blessed day, man. One love, one heart, this is yard as is. Yeah, man, Jamaica yard life. This is like second to none. Getting to spend time with friends and family out in the countryside. Like this. I'm loving it. And you know, Kmart. Yeah, come there, bro. Kmart then getting some chicken. Yeah, man, say. You know, it's something. Love the bird watching. Me, I follow there, bro. Yeah, man, love the bird watching. So I'll show you all from a little closer perspective. Come on, yeah. I'm up and about and in the countryside. Well, me in and out. Yeah, man. From the other day I've been all over the place, but we have to do what we have to do most naturally. Yeah, man. But today I'm at home. Yeah, man. Just a settle in today and soak up some of the countryside. So I'm en route to the shop at the moment. I gotta grab a few stuff and then run back home, take my Anton fashion. Yeah, man. So we haven't been around for some time. So no energy go. Countryside bush up, but things will get pretty again. Come on, yard. Yeah, man, guys, I feel for chicken back. I feel for the chicken back. Me check. What I say, me checked with 2 shops already, and there ain't no chicken back. I wonder what them do the back there. Oh my bro. So you go still. I check up the hill. Come my yard. Blessings. Yeah man, so I'm up and about guys and soon we reach the shop. No the energy go. No place like one. Yard. Yeah man. So we'll go on a yard and see if we get the chicken back. No. Yeah man. Blessings man. Manners. Take care one. Yeah man, just reach yard. Every day mom. No something go. Open active today. And we there shop. Yeah man. Go no place like yard man. Yeah man, this is it guys. Get together a few more, well a few stuff. Yeah man, and I run got yard and now take on done fashion as usual. You know it's something go. Catch you when I get there. Come my yard.